Let's do a Temu haul with random stuffs. So I got this package over here, and let's check what's inside. And now let's open this package and let's check if it's worth it to buy them or no. Okay, let's maybe open from the bottom. And this is the scissor I'll be using. Okay. Oh, okay, so let's see. The first items here is this one. Okay, so it's like a portable fan for summer. As you can see, the boxes are crooked. If you see this one, even this one here, see that the boxes are crooked? That is because the packaging is very poor. Okay, let's open the first one. Oh, this is for my daughter. Wow, there it is. This is huge. I thought this is not that big. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's like for adult. This is supposed to be for my daughter. Oh, look, it has battery already. Okay, maybe I'll put it on right now. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 speed on this one. I think this worth a buy. This is only, I believe, $11 for this one. This is a good one. Check the next one. So I got him a blue one. Okay, let's see if this one has battery, because the other one has. And this one, let's see. Oh yeah, it has battery still. It's not dead. It's not low bat. Oh wow, this is awesome. Okay, and the build is not, in my opinion, the build is not a cheap ones. This is also about $10 or $11. I think I got this. Okay, let me try it on to myself. Stylish. It has RGB, and at the same time, it's a fan. There it is, and it has okay, it has a speed control as well. There it is. I bought another one of that. I'm gonna check because I bought different kinds. Oh, maybe I bought the same kind as the other one. Let me check. So this is the next one. Oh, it looks like, yeah, this is the same as the other one, but I'm hoping I picked the different color. I hope. Oh yes, I'm glad I picked a different color. There it is. Oh, and it's, by the way, comes with a charging one. So USB A to C. There it is. And let's check if this one, there it is. So it's white. Same as the blue one, but this one is white. Okay, let's try it on. Hopefully it's not dead. Okay, this is so the first button is for the RGB light. There it is. Ooh, pretty stylish. There it is. You can use this maybe as a flashlight also. Oh boy. Okay, let's try now. Oh yeah, it's not dead. It's working. That's speed number 1. And this is number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. This is pretty cool during summer. Okay, there it is. So that's that. And what else? Okay, so this is, okay, I don't know what's this, but let me just show you. Oh, a skirt for my daughter. There it is. The style is good. If you can see, the style is good, but the material is like silky. I don't know. Okay. How they did it on the waist is pretty okay. But again, the material is not as great, but it's like a silky material. Okay, and now let's check the next one. Okay, it looks like, okay, what's this? Oh, this is a sleeveless or tongue top for my son. It looks big. I think this will fit to my husband, not my son. It's big, but anyway, this is small size, and the material is like silky also. Anyway, it's for summer, so it must be good for summer. It's like cold when you feel it. And let's check the next one. Oh, what is this? I forgot what I ordered. Oh, this is a dress. There it is. Ah, okay, and it looks like that. The material, I don't really like the material, but it's already here. There it is. And so now let's check the next one. Okay, so let's see, what's this one? This must be the skirt, if I'm not mistaken. Oh yes, it is. Okay, there you go. A sparkly one. Okay, the waist is pretty good. Here it is. I think this one is good. And let's check the next one. Oh. Okay, what's this? Oh, another tank top. Yes. Okay, it looks like the material is the same as this one here. And this one is small and men's. There it is, good for the summer. And this is only, I believe, $8. So this is pretty good. And what's this? Oh, this is a block for charging USB-C and also USB-A. There it is. So A and C. I believe this is supposed to be a fast charger, but I'll check on it later. And so this is what it looks like. There you go, USB-A to C. This one here, it's a metal. So this one is for maybe if you have a, to put up. So this one here is like a connector, so you can connect maybe two phones, two devices. One could be for streaming and one could be for a source of your background music. And you can also connect two phones. Maybe you are taking pictures or showing two different phones at one time or at the same time. Then this is what it's for. Okay, I'll see if this one works later. Okay, and this is another cable over here. So this is that. Okay, let's see. Oh, so this is 6.35 TRS to 3.5 millimeter TRS. There it is. Okay, I hope that works later. And this is just a cute notebook. There it is. There you go. And let's open it. There it is. What else? Okay, so this one is an earphone. Okay, so let's see how to open it. Okay, there it is. So this is a wired earphone, and I want to try it out because I need this for something. The one that has a USB-C on one end. It looks like the cord is pretty decent, but I will check later what's the sound or if it's good or no. Anyway, that's what it is for. Okay, let's see if I have some more. Oh, what's this? Okay, it looks like this is a dress. Look at that. I like this. Hopefully my daughter will love them too. And I like the material is same like a silky material, but I think this is good because once it's washed, I think it doesn't need to be ironed as long as you hang it right away, I think. And the bottom style here, I kind of like it. It's like a ruffle style. Okay, next, what's this? It's sealed. I have to open it. Let me use my my safety scissor. Okay. Oh, it looks like another. Oh, this is just an earphone with a built-in microphone on it. So there it is. Oh, another USB-C earphone. Maybe I bought them because I wanted to try something. Okay, there it is, and there it is. This is what it looks like. I don't know if this one has. I think this is the last one. So there it is. Oh, this must be the stand, desktop stand. There it is. So let's see what's up. I have to use again my very pretty scissor. There. Okay, and let's see. Oh, I thought it's glass, but it's like plastic. Okay, which is okay if it's plastic. There it is. Oh, it's cute. Look at that. Let's see how this works. Oh, there is a thing here. Oops, have to be very careful. I don't want to wreck it right away. See, I can turn it. Now how am I gonna pull it up? Oh, I don't want to break it. Look at that. It's so cute. Now my problem is, how am I gonna open it? I don't want to break it. Oh no. Oh, there it is. Okay, so if you have this one, this is how you open it. So just simply look over there and slowly open it from here. There it is. There you go. And then if you want to raise it, just pull this one slowly also, I think. There you go. It's so cute. Look at that. So again, even if you have a thick one with a case, then it perfectly fit. Or you can maybe put it like that. It's cool. Okay, there you go. That is, I think, all I have. And there it is. I think the good buy here are this one. And I would recommend this one. This one is a good price, and as well as this skirt is a good price, and this dress I think is good for me, as well as this stand is so cute. I think this is just $7 or $6, $7. This is pretty cute. And maybe this cable is a good buy, and the fans are good buy. Like this one here, this one is pretty good. I recommend this. I didn't even expect it's that strong once you put it on your neck. And again, these are rechargeable, and it comes with a cable, USB A to C for charging. This one I still have to test if this is really a fast charger, this block over here. So I'm gonna test it out. I think that's it, and thank you guys for watching. Until next time.